I'm Sakshi Varerkar from Mumbai. I'm currently pursuing my MBA from Velika Institute of Management here in Mumbai itself. I've done my graduation in Bachelor's of Commerce. So I was always keen to do digital marketing, basically marketing, MBA in marketing. So that's when I came across digital marketing because it was the buzzword, and I wanted to start my journey with digital marketing by knowing the crux of digital marketing because that is what was going to help me with my MBA and my future career plans as well. So that I came across Digital Vidya, I was surfing to a lot of courses. I read reviews and everything, and that's when I decided to CDMM course from Digital Vidya. Because of the modules and the certifications that we get from Digital Vidya, I got to build my LinkedIn profile and also ace a few of my interviews here while MBA. Made a website from scratch for myself as well, and as well as for my relatives. The website that I made for myself was more about blogging, and the website that I made for my relative was about food blogging, and they have a YouTube channel of their own. So they wanted to have a website that will showcase their recipes and their tips and tricks of all of that. So using Amazon Web Services, WordPress, I created the website on my own. Uh, all of this was helpful because of the SEO module that uh, that I learned from Digital Vidya. Digital Vidya has been there with me throughout the journey of my digital marketing. I got to learn all the modules, SEO, social media, SEO being one of my favorite. I have also done a few projects and assignments in SEO and copywriting as well. One thing that I would also like to mention is Digital Vidya also helped me even after my digital marketing course when I was facing one of the issues with my website. So they helped me with that as well. So yeah, it has been a great journey. One thing that I would recommend to all the newcomers or who are planning to do digital marketing would be to keep practicing, to keep taking up projects and assignments, and also do internship because digital marketing is all about practical experience, right? So keep practicing because so that you don't forget things and you are also keeping up with the new trends as well. So yeah, that is about it. Thank you so much.